In 1919, the Ford Motor Company opened its first assembly plant in Brazil. More than 100 years later, it announced the closure of their last 3 plants in the country, following the São Bernardo do Campo plant closure in 2019. In the industrial outskirts of São Paulo, about 5,000 jobs will be cut. In this video, these workers from the Taubaté plant in São Paulo's countryside are protesting the closure. Ford said in a statement that it's reorganizing its production structure in South America to increase margins and generate more cash flow.
It took me a while even to take this seriously. It felt like somebody was joking with us. But then I got home, I saw my kids, and I felt really unsure about the future.
The automakers' dealerships will continue to operate in Brazil, selling cars brought from other countries, mostly Argentina and Uruguay, and offering services to customers.
But why now? Because they were not making profits here in the Brazilian operation. They have an SUV here, they have the EcoSport, however, they were not making money. And why they are not making money? First, because their costs are high, and because the revenues are low. This may be simplistic, but why the costs are high? Because the volume are not achieving their full capacity, the capacity of their production.
Local authorities tried to encourage another automaker to take over Ford's facilities. However, that was not possible. The land was bought by a real estate developer, and it's not clear yet what will happen to it. The São Bernardo plant closed down in October 2019 after 52 years, and at a time when Ford only spoke of their intention to stop production of trucks in the country. This union leader says it's a symbol of the loss of industrial jobs in Brazil.
The federal government didn't help. There was an automaker who was interested in acquiring the plant, but the federal government did not help with incentives or public investment. Even after there were 3 Chinese groups looking into it, but then the pandemic came and everything had to stand still.
Ford's plant closures in Brazil have to do with the crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, but also reflect changes in the global production and flow of cars. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Bernardo do Campo, Brazil.